Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a common issue when working with Docker containers, the dreaded curl 56 Recv failure connection reset by peer error. This error can be frustrating. It often appears seemingly out of nowhere. We'll explore what causes this error and, more importantly, how to fix it. Let's dive in. First, understand what this error actually means. The connection reset by peer part indicates that the server you're trying to reach abruptly closed the connection. This can happen for various reasons. One common reason is network instability. Docker containers rely on network connectivity to communicate with external services. If the network is unstable, the connection can be interrupted. Another possibility is that the server you're trying to reach is overloaded. When a server is under heavy load, it might terminate connections to free up resources. Firewall restrictions can also cause this issue. Firewalls are designed to protect networks by blocking unauthorized access. If a firewall is blocking the traffic from your container, you'll encounter this error. Resource limits within the Docker container itself might be the problem. If the container doesn't have enough CPU or memory, it can lead to connection issues. Finally, problems with the application you're trying to reach can also lead to the error. Now, let's look at some solutions. Firstly, check your network connectivity. Make sure your host machine has a stable internet connection. You can try pinging the target server from your host machine to verify network connectivity. If you can't ping the server, there's likely a network issue that needs to be addressed. Secondly, review your firewall settings. Ensure that your firewall isn't blocking traffic from your Docker container. You might need to add a rule to allow traffic to the target server. Thirdly, increase the resource limits for your Docker container. You can do this by adjusting the CPU and memory limits in your Docker Compose file or Docker run command. For example, you could use the memory and CPUs flags with Docker run. Fourthly, investigate the target server's health. If possible, check the server's logs to see if there are any errors or issues that might be causing it to reset connections. Contact the server administrator if needed. Fifthly, implement retry mechanisms in your application. If the connection fails, retry the request after a short delay. This can help to mitigate temporary network issues. Libraries like requests in Python offer built-in retry functionality. Sixthly, consider using a more robust network configuration for your Docker containers. Docker networks allow you to isolate and manage network traffic between containers. Using a custom Docker network can improve network stability and performance. Seventh, examine your DNS settings. Ensure your container can resolve the hostname of the server it is trying to connect to. A misconfigured DNS can also lead to connection failures. Check the /etc/resolve.conf file inside the container. By systematically checking these potential causes and applying the corresponding solutions, you can significantly increase your chances of resolving the curl 56 Recv failure connection reset by peer error in your Docker containers. That's all for today's video. I hope this helps you solve this common Docker issue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Consider supporting the channel to help us create more content like this. Your support means a lot. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or other Docker tips.